What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt Doheny, and today I'm going to show you 4 different ways to light your portraits in an urban environment. So let's get to it. What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt Doheny, and thank you so much for stopping and checking out this video. If you're new to my channel, I do photography tips and tricks, insights, and I post videos weekly. So if you're into that kind of thing, hit that subscribe button and follow along. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. That means the world to me. I love to teach, and I feel like when I teach, I learn. So we're really helping each other out here, you know? Today I want to talk about shooting in an urban environment. I'm going to show you 4 different ways I lit some portraits in an urban environment with 0 modifiers. That's right, no flashes, no reflectors, no fill cards. These are all just available light that we had, natural light and overhead lighting inside the building. So I'm going to play a short clip for you to show you the environment and everything we went through. And after that, I'm going to talk about some photos, why I pose the model certain ways, and what the light's doing in each portrait. So stay tuned, follow through, and I'll see you on the other side. Alright, now that you have some idea of what our environment looks like, I want to talk about the 4 ways you can use to light your model. Uno. Window light's a great place to get beautiful portraits. The bigger the light source, the better, and the closer you can move your model towards the window, the better the light will be, because obviously there's more available. In these shots, I use the window light as a front light to light my model's face and illuminate everything so I didn't have to deal with any weird shadows. Dos. Available light. Now, I know window light is available light, but I'm also talking about any fluorescent or incandescent bulbs you have in your shot. In this scene, we had a TV that was able to work as our secondary light source and really light from a different angle, so it created a mood. It was pretty cool. In these photos, we used just the overhead light in the bathroom. You have the model face up towards it so to illuminate her face without getting any weird shadows. And for these shots, we used the combination of the overhead lights and the TVs to really light this subject. Tres. Direct sunlight on the roof. Now, direct sunlight on the roof is a really great place to shoot because roofs are painted a lighter color as not to absorb heat, so it gives us a great opportunity to use it as a natural fill. So try placing your model with the sun behind you, with the sun in front of you, and play around with any other object you found on the roof. Cuatro. Open shade. Now, this is an environment where there's no direct sunlight, but you're still outside and you can see the open sky. A really great tip for shooting in open shade is look up towards the sky or look out to the direct sunlight, and it really lights the face and gives you beautiful catch lights and really illuminates your model. Alright guys, thank you so much for sticking around and watching the video. Again, a quick recap. The 4 different ways we shot in this urban environment was we used window light, we used available light, we used direct sunlight, and then we used open shade. Go out and try these techniques and let me know how they worked out for you, and comment below. If you have any questions, of course comment below and I'll be able to answer everything for you personally. Again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I'll be posting videos weekly, so hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you guys later.